guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working here on a Ford Edge, guys. So if you're trying to find where the fuse is located for the fuel pump, guys, and you may have up to 3 fuses, stay with us, we'll explain that. That's what we'll be covering today. If your car does not start, it sounds like you have a bad fuel pump, check these 3 fuses, guys. It's actually 2 fuses and a special diode. Also, guys, you have a pump relay, so we have a video on that. It's called Fuel Pump Relay on Ford Edge, guys, so check it out as well. Quick introduction: every single car we get at the shop, including this generation Ford Edge, we're planning on making at least 200 videos, guys. Why? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you guys need to buy new fuses, new relays, car parts, tools, and you want to save even more money, check out the link in the description of the video below. It's there for your convenience, guys. So we'll go ahead, open the hood, okay, and we'll show you where those fuses are located now on this 2009 Ford Edge, guys. So fuel pump, okay, we have a video how to replace fuel pump as well. Right here, guys, okay, this is the fuel rail. We have a video how to test fuel pressure as well, so check it out. And this is, guys, your fuel box, okay, right here. That's the fuse box, excuse me, right here. And how you guys open it, you need to press right here, pull up, and then you can even disconnect it, guys, by twisting it. Now the fuse numbers here, guys, okay, facing this way, will correspond to what we have right there. So those are, guys, the fuse numbers. Now the fuses, guys, that we need to check. We need to check up to 3 fuses. One of them is a diode and 2 fuses, guys. So the first one that we need to check, guys, it's fuse number 19. Okay, and looking in the box right here, it's 19 right here. But this is not a fuse, guys. This is actually a diode. Okay, it's this diode right here, guys. Okay, that device right here. Those are super hard to find. We have the link in the description of the video below to see where you can get it from. But if you need to get new diode, new fuses, guys, you can get a whole fuse box here for a super good price and fast shipping, so check it out, guys. I will go ahead, grab a fuse puller that comes with it, okay, and we're going to grab that diode, okay, and pull it out. Okay, maybe. Let's see, I may need to use the heavy duty one because the diodes usually, okay, they get stuck really bad. And if I can pull it out, I'll grab the pliers, guys, because they do tend to be stuck, okay, pretty bad sometimes. Okay, and I cannot pull that. Okay, it has a clip, guys. My bad. Good thing I showed you guys. Right here there is a clip. I didn't see that on some fuse boxes. Okay, you don't have that. You have to press that clip over, okay, and pull the diode to the side. Okay, I need to get a screwdriver. Let me grab a screwdriver quick so I can push that clip, guys. We removed and replaced some in the past. They do not go bad very often, but sometimes they do. So okay, we're going to pull that tooth to the side, okay, with the screwdriver. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, right there. And the diode, guys, came out. Okay, this right here is your diode. This is what I'm talking about, guys. It looks like a fuse, but it's not a fuse. So we have a video on the channel about those as well. This is one of them, guys. Okay, I damaged it on top a little bit, but that's nothing, it's just the plastic. Now you have 2 more fuses that you need to check, and let me show you which, guys. Fuse number 52, okay, fuse number 52, we're looking at that fuse, okay, right there. Let me grab that thing to show you quick. This is fuse number 52, it will be the first fuse in that fuse box. It's a 5 amp fuse. Check this one, guys. This is another fuse. And then we have, guys, fuse number 68, okay, which will be the fuse right here. This is fuse number 68, and this is a 15 amp fuse, very important fuse, so check this one out as well, guys. But other than that, okay, that's it, guys. Now don't forget to install the diode. Okay, all we have to do, if you get a new one, just it goes, okay, let me see if it has any direction. Yep, it goes only one certain way, guys. Okay, one certain way, and push it in. But we need to, okay, pry that clip to the side. Perfect. Don't forget, guys, to install your cover so dust and humidity doesn't get inside. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.